Hi, I'm Mach 5 Dan, and this is an unboxing video of our newest wheel. It's called Crucial. It is 18 by 9.5. It's intended for Subaru fitments. Offset is plus 42. It comes in 5 by 114 and 5 by 100 bolt patterns. We've shipped quite a few wheels over the years, and we've learned a lot about packaging them safely, so I'm going to show you some of the package details on this wheel. As you can see from the box, the wheel is of flow-formed construction that is stronger than traditional gravity casting and allows the wheel to be lighter. First packing step, we've got a cardboard layer both on top and on the bottom of the wheel. Second layer of packaging is a plastic bag. Just keeps dust out. Third layer of protection is a plastic rim protection strip. There's one on both the top and the bottom rim of this wheel. We've got a little hair net, which is kind of a standard face protection for wheel shipping. But then in addition to that, we have a layer of like thin foam material. And finally, the unveiling of the wheel itself. This wheel weighs 19.5 pounds, which is quite light for a wheel of this size. It is also quite strong, and we have done specific strengthening in the design, including a thickened inner lip for additional strength. It has milled out slots in the sides of the spokes for weight reduction without losing strength. It also has a knurled barrel to prevent the tire slipping on the wheel. The color-matched center cap is included with each wheel. It's Mach 5 logo too. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed our short unboxing video. These wheels are available for sale now in 4 colors. Gloss gunmetal, which we're looking at here, satin gunmetal, which is a duller finish, gloss black, and gloss gold. Thanks, and look for these wheels on fastwrx.com.